Alright guys, welcome back to iMag at Home. My name is Christian. Really quickly, want to thank today's sponsors, StormSmart and NBC2, for allowing us to have this really cool exhibit for all of the Southwest Florida community. Now, today we're going to be talking about planet Mercury. So, Mercury, it's the closest planet to the Sun, but what that means is that temperatures can vary drastically. So on the side that faces the Sun, temperatures can skyrocket up to about 800 degrees Fahrenheit, whereas the opposite side that's not facing the Sun can actually cool down to negative 279 degrees Fahrenheit. Huge fluctuations. Now Mercury actually has the most extreme temperature variations in the whole solar system. Another reason for these huge temperature variations is because Mercury doesn't really have an atmosphere to trap in that heat, so that greenhouse effect, right? It lacks that. Another thing is that Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. It's very rocky, it's cratered, and with almost no atmosphere to serve as protection, okay? Calorus Basin. So Calorus Basin is basically a huge basin that has a diameter of 950 miles, and it's Mercury's most notable feature. It was actually thought to have been caused by an impact early in the history of the planet. Okay, a couple more things about Mercury, more cool facts, is that Mercury has not only the longest day, which is approximately 1,407 hours, it also has the fastest orbit velocity, and it travels at around 107,000 miles an hour. So what that means is that it spins extremely slowly, but it orbits very, very fast. The combination of the longest day with the shortest year means that for every 2 orbits that Mercury completes around the Sun, it only rotates on its axis 3 times. Pretty cool. The orbit of Mercury is also not circular, but highly elliptical. This data set that you're seeing right here was actually created using data from the Messenger mission. And it's a global mosaic that covers approximately 99.9% of Mercury's surface. Okay, so what I'm gonna show you guys next is a little bit easier on the eyes. It's cooler to look at. All right. So what this is showing is it's a colorful view of Mercury. It highlights the chemical and physical differences between the rocks that make up Mercury's surface. Now you'll see that all of those rays that extend out from the craters, those are actually light blue or white, whereas the medium and dark blue areas are a geologic unit of Mercury's crust known as low reflectance material. And it's thought to be rich in a dark opaque mineral. Now if you look closely, you'll also notice there are some tan areas. So those tan areas are plains formed by eruption of highly fluid lavas. And once again, the giant Calorus Basin is the large circular tan feature located in the northern hemisphere. So I'm gonna pull that up for you guys so that everybody can see the Calorus Basin. So, and there it is. And I'm gonna freeze frame. So that's the Calorus Basin, Mercury's most notable feature. Now, I know I said before, Mercury has essentially no atmosphere to serve as protection from meteors, and as a result of that, many impact craters are visible on Mercury's surface. Calorus Basin being the most notable one. To better understand Mercury, NASA launched MESSENGER, which actually is an acronym. It stands for the Mercury Surface, Space Environment, Geochemistry, and Ranging Spacecraft. And since its launch in 2004, MESSENGER has been orbiting Mercury and has collected over 170,000 images of the planet. So thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions about Mercury, make sure to leave it in the comments below. Make sure you're checking out our Facebook page, iMag History and Science Center. Make sure you're checking out our website too, theiMag.org. Thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you again soon.